Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to see the poem Pilgrim. This is an inspirational poem or motivational poem. This poem is about our life. This is a metaphorical poem. Our life is compared with the whole day, one whole day, okay, and our old age compared with the evening. So, first we are going to see this lesson, this poem. We are going to read. A pilgrim going alone highway came at evening cold and grey to a chasm deep and wide and vast and wide. The old man crossed in the twilight, twilight dim. The chasm held no fear for him, but he paused when he reached the other side and built a bridge to span the tide. Means here is the poem, here is an old man. This poem is about an old man and he is a pilgrim. He was going along the way alone in the cold and grey evening. In this twilight dream, he had crossed a chasm. Chasm means valley that was very deep, vast, and wide. And he had crossed that chasm. Chasm means the difficulties in our lives are compared with the chasm, means that valley. Okay, so twilight dim means the time after the sun has set and before it gets completely dark. That is the twilight dim. So in that twilight dim, that old man crosses a chasm which was deep, vast, and wide. And when he had traveled that chasm without he had no fear, means without fear he had traveled that chasm. But when after reaching other side, he stopped there and he builds a bridge to span the tide. Span the tide means flowing waters. On the flowing waters, he builds the bridge there. After crossing that chasm, the old man stopped there and he builds a bridge on that flowing water. And when there was another pilgrim or another traveler who was seeing what that old man is doing, and he asked that old man. We are going to read second stanza. Old man said, a fellow pilgrim near, why waste your time in building here? Your journey ends with the close of the day. You never again will pass this way. You have crossed the chasm deep and wide. Why build a here at eventide? Means that another traveler asked that old man. After seeing that old man is building a bridge, he asked him that why he wasted his time building the bridge here. He now his journey is going to an end. Old age means the evening of the end. So that traveler is saying that his journey means old man's journey is going to an end with the close of the day, and he will never pass this chasm or cross this chasm again. Means he will never pass along with that road or along with that chasm. And now already he had passed or crossed that deep and wide chasm. Then why he had built here a bridge and working here till evening? He asking to the man. Then in the second stanza, last stanza, there is a answer of that man, old man. There is an answer. See on the screen. Here is the third stanza. We are going to read. The pilgrim raised his old grey head. My friend, in the path I have come, he said. There followeth after me today a fair haired youth. You must pass this way. who must pass this way. The chasm which held no fear for me. To the fair-haired youth may a pitfall be. He too must cross this in the twilight dim. My friend, I am building this for him. That old man raised his grey head and answered to that another traveler that through the way on which he had crossed on that path or way, a fair-haired youth would come and he had to pass this way. So when he will pass this way or cross this chasm, that chasm was not difficult, that chasm will be difficult for that youth. Now for that old man, that chasm was not difficult, because he was an experienced, he had experience how to face the difficulties in our life, how to cross this dangerous situation. So he